Stepping into a steamy bathroom after a hot shower only to find your vanity mirror completely fogged up is a daily frustration that throws off your entire morning routine. The LOAAO 30x36-inch LED bathroom mirror completely eliminates that hassle, turning your daily grooming, shaving, and makeup sessions into a beautifully illuminated, spa-like experience. Measuring a generous 30 by 36 inches, this sleek smart vanity mirror packs advanced anti-fog engineering and professional-grade lighting into an elegant frameless layout designed to elevate any modern bathroom remodel. The standout engineering feature of this model is its dual-source lighting system, offering both backlit and front-lit illumination simultaneously. While basic lighted mirrors only illuminate the edges or shine a harsh line directly forward, the LOAAO combines a brilliant front-facing light strip with a glowing ambient backlight. This dual setup delivers optimal, shadow-free illumination that completely transforms how you see yourself during intricate skincare routines or makeup application. The built-in smart touch buttons put total customization at your fingertips. You can short press to seamlessly cycle through 3 distinct color temperatures: a warm 3000K for a relaxing evening ambience, a natural 4000K for daily grooming, and a crisp 6000K daylight white for high-precision tasks. Personalizing your environment is completely effortless thanks to its dimming capabilities and intelligent memory function. By long pressing the touch sensor, you can smoothly adjust the light output from a soft 10% accent glow up to a dazzlingly bright 100% illumination level. Once you find your perfect balance of brightness and color tone, the mirror's internal memory automatically locks in those exact preferences, recalling them instantly the next time you tap the power button or flip your bathroom's wall switch. For those steamy mornings, the integrated defogger safely heats the glass from the center outward, wiping away condensation within minutes. To save energy and prevent accidental wear, the anti-fog mechanism features a built-in 1-hour automatic shut-off timer. Durability and safety serve as the bedrock of the LOAAO architecture. Unlike standard bathroom mirrors that rely on fragile annealed glass, this premium vanity mirror is constructed from 5mm heavy-duty tempered glass. This material is exceptionally shatter-proof and explosion-proof, ensuring that even under severe impact, it will not fracture into dangerous, jagged shards. Carrying a rigorous ETL certification for safety compliance in damp environments, the electronic components are fully sealed inside a waterproof housing to maximize lifespan. Adapting the mirror to your specific vanity size and bathroom layout is incredibly flexible. The rear frame features a versatile hanging system that allows you to mount the unit either vertically as a tall 30-inch wide portrait mirror or horizontally as a wide 36-inch landscape canvas to match dual-sync vanities. Out of the box, it offers 2 convenient power configurations. You can simply use the attached 59-inch heavy-duty power cord to plug directly into a standard wall outlet, or cut the plug to have a qualified electrician hardwire it directly to a wall switch for a perfectly seamless, hidden wire finish. If you are ready to permanently banish foggy glass from your mornings, eliminate harsh overhead shadows, and invest in a shatter-proof, custom-lit centerpiece that brings modern luxury to your home, this backlit and front-lit LED mirror is the ultimate bathroom upgrade. Make sure to click the link below for the best price available right now. Thank you so much for watching. Drop a comment letting me know if you are going to mount this vertically or horizontally over your vanity, and I will see you in the next video.